My dear children, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. Just we are going to start our lesson 19 of grade 10 CBSE curriculum. There are many people that who wants just PDF file or my hard copy from me. You know, they are not the students, I know well. They are only the cheaters. That's why they ask. The who is the real student, only they will try to understand, they will watch the videos, because there are many things which I say. Otherwise the student that who are getting the lessons from their schools, for them it would be sufficient, but there I know they cannot write or understand word by word or other things which I tell during the video, even just to make them understand. So please don't do this cheating. It is not nice. Just try to, this is for children only. Even when I was uploading, doing the work on Ahibbul Arabiya, so even the publisher of Ahibbul Arabiya from Saudi, they asked me the hard copies to make their books. So even I told them that it is not for commercial purpose, it is only for helping the children. So let me help. I am helping them, not for making money. So my intention is only for helping the students, not for making money. So you also help the other students who don't know about this channel. Just promote with them, tell them word by word. Everyone will know, and everyone will get benefit through this channel. And if you will press the notification to get the notification, the bell, notification bell, so you will be notified whenever I upload any video. So Dars 19, lesson 19, Hamid Yasafiru ilal Kulliya. See, I am not reading according to Hamidun Yasafiru ili Kulliyati. See, this is not, it is not sounding well, because we are not just teaching how to pronounce. I am teaching what is the meaning of this. And I am not Arab, so even the Arabs, when they talk and you see them, they don't say this Hamidun and Yusafiru ili Kulliyati. They will not say. They will say Hamid Yusafir ili Kulliya. So same like this I teach, simple way. Hamid travels to his college. This college, this Kulliya, ili to Yusafir. Ya they are using because of the masculine noun. And if it would be inaya, to tasafir it would be. Okay? Because this is the girl, so tasafir we would use. But this is the boy, Hamid is the boy. That's why we are using yusafir. Ya. We are using ya here. So let's start our chapter. Hamid Talibun fil kulliyati al hinsa, okay, or in hinsati. If you will say particularly kasra damma, so Hamidun Talibun fil kulliyatil hindisiya, you will say like this. Otherwise the simple way, Hamid Talib fi kulliyatil hinsiya. Understand? So Hamid is a student of a or in a engineering college. What is Kulliya Hinsiya? Hinsiya means engineering. So Kulliya, this is the college. Talib is the student. Ja fi utlatihi ilal bayti qaza. Asbun ma walidatihi wa ikhwatihi. Understand? Wherever is necessary, I use. Understand? Otherwise, this in just I talk like in general speaking, general talking. He reached. Ja means reached, and this is the past tense because this is fatha, and here is the sukun. So ja fi utlatihi. He reached, or Hamid reached to his home. Understand? In his holidays to spend. Ilil bayti, to his home. Qaza means faqaza, to spend. Asbu'an, 2 weeks. Ma with walidihi means parents. Okay? And wa ikhwatihi means his brother. Ikhwa, if you will say, it will be not nice. Here ikhwatihi, because his brother. So 2 weeks with his parents and his brothers. Marraul usbu'ani or usbu'an. Understand? Usbu'ani it is written, usbu'an we will read. Usbu'an bi suratin fajahza hamidun amitahu lil audat or lil audati likulliya fakana alayhi an yusafira ilil makan tihi bil qitar lil wahdihi or lil wahdihi. Okay? 2 weeks passed. Marra means past. Asbuan, 2 weeks. Bisura, quickly, fast. Fajahaza, fajahaza. Okay? Fajahaza Hamidun. So 2 weeks passed quickly, so Hamid packed his belongings. Where is the belongings? Jahaza. Okay? Packed. Jahaza Hamidun ummatihu lil oda. To return. Okay? Or to go back to his school. Kulliya. Likulliya. Or for his college. Not school, college. Fakana alayhi an yasafira ilil makan kullatihi bil qitar lil wahda. He had to return to his college place by train alone. Yasafir, say fakana, so. Understand? So he has to return to, or he has to travel to his, here it will be travel, but I wrote here return. Understand? So he has to return, or he has to travel ili makan, to the college place, bil qitar, with the train, lil wahid, alone. Wahdahi means by his own. Understand? There is the proper is by his own, but here train alone. Understand? This is the alone. So indama jaa yawmu safri nasahatu ummah or ummuhu. We will say ummuhu means his mother. Okay? Ummuhu waqalat. When the day of return reached, his mother advised him and said. Indama means when. Ja means reached. Yawmul safar, the day of travel. Nasaha means advised or just told him. Ummuhu, his mother, waqalat, and said. See, waqalat, because of the mother, it is coming ta. Understand? Waqala, no, not saying waqalat. Oh my son. Ya bunni, oh my son. Or this is the, according to this, if you will say ya bunayya, ya bunayya, my son, or oh my son, anta musafir, you are traveling. Musafir liwahdaki, You are traveling alone. Fala Buddha. Fala Buddha. Okay. Fa is always just in Arabic. Many times I have told this is the condition. Where is the condition? Comes just fa it is used, means so. In Urdu we say isliye. Fala Buddha min anturaiya bazal umur. So you should keep in mind, understand, some things. Taraiya, antaraiya, bazal umur means some things or some points of these. It is awwalaha means first it is. Firstly, an la tusadiqanna. Understand? An la tusadiqanna ahadan wa la taqbalan ayyi shayin min al ayyi shakhs ajnabi wa la taakulna ta'ama illa min matam al qitar wa la tashrabani or tashraban al ma illa ma kanat ma avi ashtaraytuhu min al mahlin or min al mahal mawsiqin bihi. Understand? Mawsuqin bihi. So till here we have read it. So wala takuluna ta'am illa min ta'am al qitar. Do not eat. Wala takuluna, you don't eat. Atam, the food, or illa min ta'am al qitar, you don't eat or accept even from the train restaurant. So only just take from the train restaurant. Wala tashrabani, and don't drink. It could be also that only you can eat from the, except from the, we can say except from the train restaurant, or even from the train restaurant. Both meanings we can be used here. Wala tashrabin, and don't drink. Alma, don't drink water. Illa, understand? Illa makana mak, whatever is with you. So the water or other than what is with you. Or this is not ought, or buy the water from the reliable shop. What is this? Minal mahal mawsuq bihi. Reliable mawsuq means which is reliable, which is authentic. Mahal means shop. Indama tanzilu min al qitari, and when you get down from the train. So indama means when, tanzilu you get down, min al qitar from the train, fala so see don't, so don't. Again this, after getting down from the train, so don't. Again this is the coming the condition. Okay. Tazhabanna ma ye shakhs yarizu alayka isalak lil makanik. So don't go with any person who offers you to take you to your place. Understand? Ayye shakhs, any person. Falayka antasajira, so you should rent. Understand? Tasajira, you should rent. التاكسي من المكان المختصص في الداخل محطة القطار وأذهب به. Understand? So you should rent a taxi from the railway station. means railway station, specified place, and go with that. It is the makanul mukhtasis, a specified place. في الداخل المحط القطار, in the this railway station, and izhab bihi, and go with that. Okay, specified place and go with that. Wa ilayka an tukhbirna fawra wa wusulika lissakin, and you should inform us when you reach at your hostel. Lil Sakin means Sakan means the place of living. Lissakan. Okay, Lissakani. This is Lissakani written, but Lissakan. We will read Lissakan or Lissakani. Both it is right. Wasulak means reached. Okay, Takhabarna, you should inform. Fara means immediately. Qala Hamid. Hamid said, Ya Ummi, O my mother, Anti darastani. See, we will not say Anta. Okay, Anti, because Kasra, this is the for feminine. Anti darastani, your lesson. Understand? Fi nasihatik. Understand? Fi nasihatik. Nuni tawqid. التوكيد الخفيفة والثقيلة للمضارع. Understand? This is very important. This nice sentence. Oh my mother, you have given or you have teach or provide me the lesson, or in your advice. Both we can say. Provide me the lessons or in your advice. Light and heavy present tense. What is there? Present tense here. Khafifa, light, wa saqila, heavy. Okay. Lil muzara, this present. Ya ummi, qad darasna ustazu hazal mawza fil akhiril al durus allati qaranaha alayhi qabla al-utla. O my mother, the teachers had taught us in this topic in the last session. Okay, Ustazna, our teacher. Hazal mawzu, this topic. In fi, in Akhir Duruz, in the last lesson. Understand? Allati, which. Qaranaha alayhi qablul utla, which we read it before the holidays. Qablul utla, before the holidays. Ustazana, and our teacher, yarafu al-lugha al-arabiyya wa qawaid jayyadan fahuwa yastashhidu bil ayatil karima wal sha'aril arabiyil qadim. Understand? Arabiyil qadim. So what is the meaning? We have read different verses. Ayatina mukhtalifa, different verses. We have ayat means verses. Okay, in Quran Majid also ayat are there, so verses. And poetry, wa ashar, related to this topic. Matnua, okay, or mata navannaatan, we will read it muta navannaatan, not so muta navanna. Understand? Muta navanna fil mawzu, related to this topic. Askaru minha ayatan qad jama fihal nunan. Understand? This is the nunan, this noon, okay, means no, no, don't do. Understand? La, as it is. So I remembered or memorized a verse from them which had gathered the both noons. Here, don't think that noon means. Noon means here saying n. Understand? So here is in Arab there la. Understand? Here came don't get down, don't drink, don't water, don't eat. So same like this, la came. So same here, no eating, no get downing, no taking, no going. So nunan it is saying for that. Both noons. Qala Allahu Ta'ala fi surati. Allah said in the surah. Okay, Qala means said. Again, this is the past tense. Qala Allahu, Allah said. Qala Allahu, Allah Ta'ala. Qala, Allah said, fi surati Yusuf. Surah Yusuf is in Quran Majid, so that's why he is giving the reference of that. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, with the name of Allah, most gracious and most merciful. Walail yamafal ma amruhu li sijjina wala yakuna minad saghirin. What is the meaning of that? And if he will not do what I order him, he will be surely impersonized and will be of those debased. Understand? If you will read that Surah Yusuf, because this was the when he went out about without the order of taking the permission from Allah, and he went out from that place where he was preaching or where he was living, and people were not accepting Islam. So he went out without saying, and he sat in the ship or in the boat, and then boat became heavy, and they said that, oh, we will just take out one person. So his name came in Qur'an, and they throw him and the whale swallow him. So that's why this Allah warned him. Kama askaru baitan li hatimit ta'i wahuwa. Like this, I remembered or memorized a stanza of the Hatim Ta'i. Hatim Ta'i was a just very rich and very generous person in Arabs. Okay, which is wahuwa, which is qalilan bihi ma yahmaddak warisun iza nala mimma kunta tajma'u maghnan. These are two verses that which he said. New inheritors will praise you when you left a fortune for them. Understand? Not new, this is a few. Understand? Qalilan. So it becomes few. A few is inheritance will praise you when you left a fortunate for them. This is like this, na? If you leave, if person dies and leave for them, so everyone prays, oh, how much money or how much wealth he has left. Even the children say, oh, I am the now owner of this, all this. So qalat the mother said, mashallah, mashallah, what a God willing, what a God willing. Hana waqtul qitar, it's time for the train. Hana means now, or it is. Rihlatul Mawqafa Tawqaful Allah. Understand? Tawakkalul Allah Allah. Tawakkul means a good trip. Keep your trust in Allah. Tawakkul Allah, trust in Allah. So now here our text finish. Hope little bit having different and difficult words. So please watch it many times. You will understand, and then you will feel great after getting some knowledge. Ajab alil asla al taliya, answer the following question. These are the tamareen, the exercises. Maza yadras Hamid. See what was studying Hamid. So what this is the your whole question. Just cut the maza and yadras Hamidun Hinsiya. Hamid was studying engineering. Only just full from here it will come Hinsiya. Kaif Yasafir Hamid, how Hamid traveled. See, Safira Hamid or Yasafira Hamid, understand? Both you can say. Yasafira Hamid bil Qatar. Understand? This is the one answer. Other answer you can write here. It is in your book. Yusafira ilil makana kulliyatil bil Qatar lil wahda. He traveled by the train to his college alone, by his own. Bimaza nasa Hamid, for what or why the Hamid's mother advised. Nasa means advised. Lanna, answer will be here. Lanna, because Yasafir Hamid ilil kulliyatu bil Qatar lil wahda, because the Hamid was traveling to his college alone or by his own. Ma huwa ra'ik fi nasiha Hamid, what do you see in the Hamid's mother advice? Understand? Ma huwa ra'iku, what do you see? Fi nasiha, in the advised. Ara means I see. Al-hub wal riaya nahu abnaha, I see the love and care towards her son. If you want to something else, you write something. Maza qalat Hadi fi akhira kalami, Hamid's mother what said in the last sentence or the talk. Understand? Akhir kalama, last sentence or talk. What will I write? Mashallahu, mashallahu. Understand? She said like this. What will say? Qalat Hamid fil akhirati kalamatihi or mashallah, mashallah. We will say right this. This is اكتب صيغة مزارة من الدرس وكون منها جملة. Write the present tense from the sentence and make the this with that this sentence. اكتب مخلص هذا الدرس باللغة العربية. This is nothing. Now here za Imam al-Jawab Sahiya wa za cross Imam al-Jawab al-Khata. Write the or put the cross on the wrong and put the right on the correct answer. Hamid yadras fil badlahi. Hamid was studying in his town or city. See, just you see what is wrong, or it is wrong or it is right. Hamid yusafir lil qaza lutla al zif safiya. Hamid traveled to spend the summer vacations. Just you think it is right or wrong. Yadras Hamid al Hinsa. Hamid was studying engineering. It is right or wrong. Just think. Hamid Amratu Aqila. Hamid's mother was an intelligent woman. Okay? Aqila means intelligent. Amra means woman. Hamid, Hamid's mother. Waradat al-Atiya allati talaha Hamid fi Surat al-Ra'd. Okay? There were the from the Surat al-Ra'd which Hamid memorized. It is wrong or right, just you think. Now here our chapter has been finished. Inshallah we will come to next our chapter. If you want a particular chapter, because maybe some students school having just done more, So please inform me. I will upload that one. Bye bye.